So while we're on the road, we're going to be looking for, somewhat healthy and cheap snacks. So today I'm trying my hand at making dandelion fritters. So in here, I just have 1 egg, which is good for 30 dandelion fritters, and I just mix some of my favorite spices into it. I got some basil in there, some oregano, I got a bit of lemon juice. I went a little heavy on the lemon juice. And salt and pepper. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dipping each dandelion into the egg, getting it nice and soaked, and then I am covering it in flour. And then I'm going to just put it on this plate, ready to fry. So I'm going to dump these fritters into the coconut oil. Oh! Dropped a little bit in there early. And I'm just going to cook them for 1.5 minutes, because that's all they need. They're done. Bon appetit!